place out of place and no pull of gravity. I made it my priority to strive for irrelevance. By punishing myself it seemed to be the only consequence. I stacked my refuse up to the sky when I was afraid, so I couldn't blow it up in my own personal tornado. Sitting by the window waiting for a bolt of lightning to split the tree, but nothing ever happens to me. I gotta ride. It's a blink of an eye, it's a blind side. Cause it's moving fast and we're all gonna die someday. It's a countdown, 3, 2, 1. Maybe it's a list of hopes that get burned to ash. Maybe it's the fear of falling that shakes me awake when I'm about to crash. Or the cry of a child that lost their way. Or something simple as a bird call saying gotta get wise, gotta ride. It's a blink of an eye, it's a blind side. Cause it's moving fast and we're all gonna die someday. It's a countdown, 3, 2, 1. An unfillable hole no matter what. It seems to always have a mission. The unconquerable soul with patience and time, it will win through attrition. An unfillable hole no matter what. It seems to always have a mission. The unconquerable soul with patience and time, it will win through attrition. Ride, ride. It's a blink of an eye, it's a blind side. Ride, ride. Cause it's moving fast and we're all gonna die someday. It's a countdown, 3, 2, 1. Ride, ride. It's a blink of an eye, it's a blind side. Ride, ride. Cause it's moving fast and we're all gonna die someday.